Hope my new nose looks better than... Is it itchy in here or is
I'm not really supposed to talk or breathe much right now, kid. Doc's orders.
Later. I hope my stand didn't talk you into dressing like that. Let's make a deal. I'll follow you on Coonstagram if you take a selfie with me. How does that sound? Now you have a cool mom.
You dare disrupt the flow of chaos? Fool, chaos is no stranger to owies! Now to...
You're no match for my army, coon fringe! You're really into this superhero stuff, huh, new kid? Time to wreak havoc! Was that a sonic boom or just their jaw cracking? You're no match for my master!
How dare you hit a kid with braces? I heed Chaos's call!
Car! The car!
Move!
Phew, all clear. Beware, evil, for from the sky comes a kite! Pew, pew. Ow! The best part of being a kite is the lasers.
Disorder shall reign!
YOLO! Here I go. Kaboom!
Congrats, Super Friends!
You're up, Ass Blaster! Ow! Well, that doesn't even seem fair!
Fast Pass springs into action!
We're like locusts, dude! Ha!
Get your head out of the clouds! Topsy-turvy time, twerps! Yeah! Ha!
Ugh.
You okay, Super Craig?
Sure, I'm fucking fabulous. It's kite flying time! Hi-ya!
That's exactly what I needed, cheese.
Let's rumble! Who wants some chaos? Okay, here we go. Oh! Hi-ya!
Impressive who's someone who can't break the laws of physics.
You got this! Hope you socked away some pennies, because you're never getting in there! What the hell is that?
Let's make this quick.
Dude, pace yourself. The hour of chaos is at hand!
Ouch, tough crowd. Only madness and chaos await you.
Yeah, yeah!
Shit's getting serious.
Let's see, what will reduce these fools to cinders? Oh, I know! Wrath of Kite! Enjoy!
Thanks.
Super Craig, reporting for duty. Kaboom! That works. Go nuts, new kid. Hope you socked away some pennies, because you're never getting in there!
Oof.
Show that bastard!
Let's take things fast. Now you see me?
Yeah, I saw that coming. This is the part where the bad guys regret their life choices.
Isn't the air thin enough around here without folks farting it up?
Is your silence more the brooding type or the empty vessel type? Sorry, kid. Come back when you've got more classes under your superhero belt.
Your mom here or something?
If you're trying to cheer me up with that outfit,
I can't believe I have one of you monsters inside me right now. Well, not for long.
keep making those great life decisions.
You drink the tap water here, don't you? Yeah, I bet you do.
South Park could use some more female heroes.
I got boob pics, Forthy. Check them out. Trap is sprung, K-Wad.
From the sky swoops justice.
I can't say no to kicking some Forthy ass.
Ready to pummel enemies at Mach speed.
Whoa!
Way to move like you give a fuck.
It's my turn now. Damn it, I'm burning. If nothing else, beating on...
Who needs to get lasered? Here, dude! Did someone call for a fist in the face? Omega Crunch Extra. Ah! If only you put as much effort into your costume as you did that move. Look, dude, you're lucky I even showed up. Oh, laugh it up. The last kid who did that to me is dead.
It's all fun and games until you barf on your costume. Oh, awesome!
Fuck him up, new kid! That looked painful, so mission accomplished. Ow!
Took that like a champ, Forthy.
Lasers online! It's my fucking turn, yeah. I've had it with this shit. Now that's using your head! My fist is going so far up your ass, I'll be able to help you floss.
Everyone try to keep up.
Ow!
Nothing wrong with a solid wallop.
Yeah!
That sucks for you, new kid.
Ow! Oh, fuck this! Ah!
Huh?
You gonna cry now, Forthy?
Ah! Cooning friends forever.
Human kite cleared for takeoff. Who's next?
Hey, don't look, you gay wads!
Time to break a leg. Yours.
Hey, yo! That made me see stars.
These updrafts have recharged my eye lasers. Human kite is ready.
Ah!
Let's mess with some physics. Bet you didn't see that coming. Enemy down.
That's an interesting look you've got going on, boy and/or girl. I don't see gender.
Direct violation. Back away from the tank nug.
Remember the Wonder Twins? I remember, I love this.
That's Raisins, new kid. Mosquito must be inside. Get in there, but do not be tempted by their amazing wings and hot bitches.
Hi, welcome to Raisins. Just one of you today? Well, come right over here, cutie.
Sorry, I only follow psychic superheroes.
Sorry, I'm only into brutalist superheroes.
Yeah, I only selfie with Karate Kid superheroes who tip well. Over here, hon.
Oh, sorry. I only follow elementalist superheroes.
Nah, kid. I only follow cyborg superheroes. It's my thing.
Yeah, I only take selfies with assassin superheroes. It's my thing.
One of our Raisins girls will be right with you. Isn't he just the cutest thing? He sure can eat a lot of wings.
Yeah, so then I flew into the sky and I beat up all the bad guys.
Wow, I didn't know mosquitoes could be so tough.
Yeah, well, ever heard of the Zika virus?
Another plate of wings, cutie?
Sure, just put them on my tab.
Big spender.
Hey, beat it, kid. These are my women's. What superhero are you? Wait. Oh my god, the mission. My fellow superheroes. I've completely forgot. Back away, temptresses. Mosquito knows what you were trying to do.
What are you talking about, kid?
The Raisins girls are Mosquito's kryptonite. You gotta get me out of here.
Well, okay then. Here's your bill.
I think not. You tried to charm me. I will not pay this bill.
You have to leave a tip, asswipe.
They aren't going to let us go without a fight, kid. Let's do this.
Mosquito is coming with us.
No chance. See, Mr. Mosquito? We told you everyone else in here was a loser. Here's some losers now.
I can't leave now. I got a pitcher of lemonade on the way.
Welcome to the team. You're gonna need a total makeover.
Knock some sense in a mosquito. That'll snap him out of it.
I feel so tingly.
Oh, damn it, Clyde. I'm gonna knock some sense into you.
Nice hit, sweetie. You're so strong.
Yeah. Ow! Fast Pass has no respect for the laws of physics.
Wow, this is so weird. I feel like I'm in Arizona.
Warning, do not look directly into my fucking laser eyes.
Order up, cuties.
You okay, human kite?
When did burning Raisin Girls become a thing? After we beat you guys up, do you want to buy a Raisins calendar?
Yes.
Can I get you anything else? Everybody good here? Great.
That's epic. I'm gonna kill out there.
I blink. You do something?
I'll drink to that.
Feel the wrath of Human Kite.
Excellent stare tactics, human kite.
Hey, cuties. I hope you're having a good time. Actually, I don't care. Take a nap right there, sugar. We rent out floor space so nasty. I'm gonna show you. I can't even think about zingy tingy wings right now. Who knew getting set on fire would hurt so much?
Fast Pass is on the starting blocks.
Kite evasion power's useless.
Come on, this is our chance. Huh, those witches are my kryptonite, and you must have saved me just in time. I'm forever in your debt. But, hero, what is your kryptonite? Dude, you can't be a superhero without something that you're powerless against. Any particular phobas? Any emotional hang-ups? I mean, come on, there's gotta be something. Look, it's okay. I'm on your team, butt kid. You can tell me. Alright, let me see your character sheet. Take your... Yeah, old people can be so gross with their wrinkles and wisdom. Check. Great! Job done. Your kryptonite is officially noted. No, Mosquito must be off. Call on me if you should need me, coon friend.
You were in direct violation. Back away from the tank.
Anyone who thinks I'm uppity can go drunk drive their pickups right into their double wides.
Maybe if the mayor follows you.
There's no way I'm following you if the mayor isn't.
Isn't the air thin enough around here without folks farting it up?
Point your ass at the sky and turn yourself in, kid.
You're making a big mistake messing with Coon and friends. Give him hell, douchebag!
Ah! Fuck! What kind of supervillain shit is this?
Looks like you caught a few flies in your grill. Maybe keep your mouth closed next time.
Tastes like cruller and cat piss.
Oh, I'm up? Okay. Never fear, I'm here!
I needed that.
Freeze, fuckface! That vodka burn's coming back up!
You're under arrest! Ah! There ought to be a law! Ugh. Gonna be another one of those days.
My two blank mouth parts are agape in amazement.
Fast pass springs into action! I need to see a replay of that!
It's disease spreading time. laid eggs under your skin.
Hands up! Does this mean I gotta fill out a damn report? Brace yourself for justice, thug. Don't move!
Kite power!
That'll leave some funky tan lines.
Justice is served.
On the ground, now! Ah! You just assaulted an officer!
You're really stepping on my buzz.
Now get them out of my sight!
You're...
Well, hello, new child. I haven't seen you before, but you come at a crucial time. South Park is sliding into moral decline. Someone's stealing our cats. They're TPing houses. Okay, maybe it's not full-on Armageddon yet, but we do need a hero. Not to make the hard sell, but do you see yourself as a good person? Well, I can understand the confusion, but there comes a time when we need to choose our path. Will you find Jesus and take the righteous path? Or maybe you'll walk the middle way. Let's not talk about the third alternative. I'm hoping you're part of the solution, not the problem. Take the first step, my child, by entering this meditative chamber, which will allow you to confront your deepest fears. Face your fears, new child. Face your fears.
Your dad fucked your mom. You afraid of the dark? Snakes? The color blue?
Moo. Oh, hey, I'm in your imagination. Just a friendly Catholic priest who would like to get to know you a little better.
Yeah, that's right. I'm totally in your imagination, too. About to give you a shoulder rub. Ever imagine you'd feel something like this?
Let me adjust the lighting in here a bit so we can get some visuals with that.
Well, I guess this one likes it rough.
No complaints here. Who wants to hold hands and sing Kumbaya with me?
I'm full of God's grace and nowhere to put it.
Spank me! Here, little kitty, come out and play.
Just let me get warmed up. Oh, I like that.
All of God's children are deserving of his love, so just hold still.
Where'd that kid disappear to?
Oh! Don't be shy, there's no reason to hide. We were hoping you'd welcome this chance to atone.
God's grace is totally filling me.
God damn it! I can't put a child in a dark room for 2 minutes without you bastards showing up. Well, you're definitely going to hell. Now get out of here!
That's not what the Queen Spider says.
I'll go say 10 mil Harry's.
Well, gosh, I feel just awful about all that. Tell you what, a rabbi friend gave me this macaroni picture. In times of trouble and tribulation, use it to call upon the prophet Moses. Good luck on your spiritual journey, my child.
Hey, Butthole, you're doing great. Really quality character sheet stuff happening here. I've got a super secret mission for you. Head over to the new taco shop on Main Street and buy me a taco.
The Lord giveth, and the Lord taketh a selfie. How about it? Bless you, new child.
Christmas break seems so far away. Sure, I take like 10 selfies a day. Sweet! Yay, thanks! South Park could use some more female heroes.
Okay, but no screwing around. Well, okay then. Okay, now don't go screwing around.
School's over, kid. Why are you still hanging around?
Oh, hi, you're the new kid, right? Oh, great. Thanks for coming. Have a seat. As your counselor, you can talk to me about anything, okay? Now, I understand you want to talk about sex? Okay, see, I'm highly trained in, sex issues, okay? And you don't have to be afraid. Okay, new kid, it's really simple. When you want to talk about your sex, you can start by simply saying, you know, I'm a boy or a girl or other. Boy, right, exactly, you got it. Now, new kid, this might get confusing, but listen close, okay? If you were born a boy, that's called being a cisgender boy, okay? Or cis for short. But, well, you might have transitioned into being a boy. You see what I mean? If you were not born a boy, but now identify as one, well, that's called being transgendered, okay? Or trans for short, okay? So, do you identify as being cisgendered or transgendered? Okay, can you just hang on a minute? I need to call your parents. Just take a second. Hello, this is Mr. Mackey, the school counselor. Yes, hi. I have your child here in my office, and, well, he's just let me know that he's cisgender. That means he identifies with the sex he was assigned at birth. Oh, you knew that? Okay. Well, no, it's fine. I just wanted to make sure that you knew he had other options. You know, you don't always have to go with the first hand you're dealt, okay? Yeah, no, that's great. That's great to know. I think I can really maybe be of help from here on out. Thank you very much. Okay, bye-bye now, okay. Well, I'm really glad we had this talk. As a cisgendered male myself, I know how hard it can be out there for a boy who chooses to love someone of the opposite sex. Just remember, love is love. Even if you're a guy who happens to like titties, okay? Just be careful, okay? Because there's a lot of people out there who don't accept you for what you are, and then you're gonna have to deal with them, okay? So, but come see me anytime. Well, hi there, new kid.
Oh my god, I have so much homework tonight.
Well. If it ain't a cisgendered boy.
We don't take kindly to your types around here.
Let's welcome this thing to our town.
I'm gonna punch you straight, just like I did Dale that one night in '94.
Ready to pummel enemies at Mach speed. Now you see? You can't kill what you can't see.
If you actually read the Constitution, you'd understand it's my patriotic duty to fuck you up.
You okay, human kite? Yeah, I don't even want to bite these guys. What if I get contact drunk?
Don't be scared, Bug Boy. It's just a little taste of your future. Them grants looked a lot better going in.
I'll drink to that. Don't sweat it, new kid.
America, love it or get your ass kicked, socialist. That settles it. Beating you kids up was definitely the right decision.
Feel the wrath of Human Kite.
Excellent stare tactics, human kite. I'm gonna kill out there. Congrats, super friends. No fair. Cooning friends forever. Taking a blood sample now. Rat's blood. I guess a guy's gotta eat.
Okay, let's see what you got, new kid.
My two blank mouth parts are agape in amazement.
Yeah!
Ouch!
Oh, I'm up? Okay. Got you covered.
I needed that. Fast Pass is on the starting blocks. Prepare to be swarmed.